If you love warm, earthy neutrals, stay with me. This bundle builds into a much richer texture story as the reveal goes on. This bundle includes a highly textured bouclé fabric. You see the loops, very highly textured. This is the back. It's a heavier weight fabric. This is a vintage weave here, and it has good definition in the weave. You see the variation there. Kind of cream and a tannish, golden tannish color. Okay. This is a tan color. It's really small ribbon. If you see the ribs in the fabric. There, you can see it closer there. This has a really slight coating on the back. It's kind of a medium weight. This is 100% linen. It's a lighter weight fabric. There's really not too much transparency there. Maybe very little. Yeah, you can see just very little right there. See me moving my finger. It's kind of a yellow maize color, really warm color. And this is a faux leather. Look at the texture. Get a good angle. You see that? It's a very high-end piece. This is the back. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.